Hi, hello friends, it's Jalene. I'm back again with another video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I share things, beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I like to share my subscription boxes that I get, and I seem to be getting them all the time. So that is what I'm doing today. I am sharing the Allure Beauty Box. Whoops. And you can usually get a discount on these boxes. So they're around $20. Sometimes you can get them for less. And I'm going to open this up. I will put a code down below also, so you can get a discount and use that code to go to Allure Beauty. I have shared boxes. I buy, they do curated boxes that you can buy anytime, not just the monthly box. So I've done that and I've shared those. Those can be really, really great. Awesome values. They put a lot of expensive products in these boxes, so you can get them, at least try trial sizes even, for a lot cheaper than you would pay for the original. So that's one of the reasons why they're so great. Let's open this Allure Beauty Box. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it comes with a pamphlet. This does tell about the products inside the box. It also comes with spring picks, things they have in their shop. They also have really awesome things in their shop. There's a QR code on here that you can check out. And another just little cards telling some of the products they have. So let's get to it. I have 7 products in this box, and let's see what I'm going to start with. Okay. I'm going to start with, this is the Rhodia Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask. So this is a mask. I've heard good things about it. Rhodia is it's a good company. And this is a full-size product, which is kind of exciting to get a full-size product. So there's that. Let's see if I can says anything else about it. Rhodia's lightweight formula is so well absorbed by skin that you can even use this hydrating mask as an overnight treatment for an extra boost of moisture. So how's that for beauty sleep? I like that. So there's that. The next thing I am going to show is, let's see. This is Aveda, which I love Aveda products. It's a hair product, and it's a repair strengthening overnight serum. This leave-in serum treats your hair while you snooze, so you can wake up with less frizz and flyaways. That sounds great. So I am going to try that. That's cool. And okay, so ooh, I've got all kinds of fun things. I've got from Real Her. This is I Am Resilient. So, metallic bronze eyeliner. Okay, I'm excited about this. I think this is going to be really fun to use. If you want a little bit of that bronze look, there's the color. And here it is. So I'm going to use that. I don't really have anything like that, so that's kind of exciting. All right, so the next thing I'm pulling out here is, it's Able Skincare London, I believe what that says. Let me see if I can find out about it. It's an anti-aging Retexturing and Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. So, sounds like a little bit of a combo moisturizer, but you can always use most moisturizers, especially in the summer. The skin can dry out a little bit, so that is a great product. All right, so the next thing I have here, which I just shared one of these in my Glossy Box, they had a sample of the commodity perfume, and I got the paper, and I said I already had the gold, so I don't love the gold, but the paper I really liked. It was awesome. This one right here is Book. So they all have kind of different names. Commodity gold, commodity book, commodity paper. I don't know how many they have or what they have, but it seems like the book is going to smell good. Let me try it. Okay, this is okay. Well, I don't know. I love the paper. I'm not so sure about the book as well as the commodity gold. I might have to give them a better try. So we'll see. They are, I don't know if they all are, but I know this one, and I think the commodity gold also is a unisex. So maybe that's why maybe I like a little bit more feminine products. But anyway, but that's a nice sample to get. So the next thing I'm pulling out here, which they gave us, is, let's see if I can find this. This is the Flamingo. It's a razor, and they put these in the box because they were sponsored this month. But this is an awesome razor. It's won awards. So it says, what does it take for one razor to be noticeably better than other razors? So much better that it wins an Allure Best of Beauty Award. For starters, it's got to deliver a smooth, nick-free shave, and it can't have any of the common razor drawbacks. Hair gunking everything up after just one use. New blades so sharp that they cut your ankles. So this has none of that. With the Flamingo, you can check all the boxes, which is why it won our top honor. As I moved the razor across my skin, the hair just fell off in one easy swipe, says Thorne. Plus, it's comfortable to hold and looks pretty sitting in your shower. So this is a purple one. They also give a discount code, so you can get, I think, 50% off for extra blades. So it really is a bonus. We'll have to see if I love it like it says, but it looks like I will. It's got like 4 or 5 blades. So anyway, so pretty in the box. I like that. Okay, the last thing, I had re-signed up this month for another subscription. So they sent a freebie, which if you're new to subscriptions, they always give you freebies. This one is, I got a Fenty Beauty lipstick, and this is the case. I'm not sure how to open it. If anyone knows, tell me. I've tried to open it, but I had to go look at instructions somewhere because it doesn't seem to be working. But it has the filler, the lipstick filler in here. So this is the filler. That's the lipstick. I'll put it on right above this bronze. Ooh, I like it. It's just smooth as butter. There we go. So I just need to figure out how to put this in here. I love Fenty Beauty's packaging. It's just so awesome. So anyway, that was fun to get. So to recap here, I got the razor, the Fenty Beauty lipstick, the moisturizer, I got the Book perfume, the bronze eyeliner, and I got the Aveda overnight hair treatment, and the Rhodia Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic mask. So there we go. happy with all these products. So anyway, there's that for the Allure. Now, I'm going to share another, I got another box from Allure, and I paid for this box. This is actually, they were offering the, what was this? The February box. They were offering it, I think, for like $20, and it has, I mean, one product will pay for the box, and it's products I use and love. So I had to get it. So here's for another Allure purchase I made, and this can be purchased anytime. So if you missed February and you want to get this box, here it is. Okay, first of all, I'm going to pull out, I actually purchased this separate from the box because I love the Christopher Robin hair. I put this in my wet hair and it just combs right out, and it helps with the blow dry and conditioning of the hair. So I love this product. It can be expensive, so I got it for, I don't want to say maybe $9. I don't know. Anyway, really cheap in the store. All right. The next thing that's in here, this is the D'Alba Aromatic Spray Serum. Love this product. I already have it. I've used it. It just has a really light, fresh smell, and it feels so good going on the face. You shake it up. It has, you can see where there's a little bit of oil and water, whatever, in the serum, but you just spray away from the face, and love this product. I don't remember the retail value, but it will pay for the box, so that's a good thing. Okay, the next thing, and the main reason why I love this box is, obviously this pays for more than the box, is a Tula full-size cleanser, facial cleanser. I'm almost out of one right now. I think I have another one. Well, I do have another one in back stock here because I love this product. You know, when you use a product and you just know it's good, that's kind of how this is. I use it on my face. I love the smell. It feels just like it's doing something. So I really like this product. That's probably the main draw for me to get this box, is because this is something I use, and I like to have back stock of products like this. So there's that. The next thing I have in here, and I did do a video with all these before. If you want to go watch my February Allure video. But this is YSL mascara. It's just a small size, probably good for travel, but I love, it's just got perfect brush there, so just can get in and take care of your lashes. So that's a good thing. So the next thing I have in here is called the Chosen Bun. It's from Beauty Bakeries. And when I got this box last time, I got a highlighter kit instead of this. So this was kind of new this time. So I don't have this eyeshadow palette yet. I do have some from Beauty Bakery, but this one is, I love it. So it's real neutral, but it's great colors. I like that they have a lot of lighter ones and darker. So I'm excited to use this palette, and I will be soon. The last thing in this box, oh no, I have two more things. From Sephora, this is, can I remember what this is? This is just a nourishing moisturizer cream. So it's just a moisturizer. It's from Sephora brand. So you can always use a moisturizer. And the last thing in here is just a face mask, a Beat face mask. So not a huge fan of face masks, but I'll use it anyway. So there's that. So I got the eyeshadow palette, the face mask, the, let's see here, the YSL mascara, the Sephora moisturizer, the Tula face cleaner, face wash, and the D'Alba wonderful facial spray mist that smells divine. So anyway, there's all the products in the my purchase box. Like I said, I think I paid like $20 for it. So Allure is also, they offer a lot of coupons and deals. So sometimes if you go in to buy their extra boxes or their curated boxes or a thing like this box, they will offer sales periodically, so you can get them for really cheap. So I'm excited about that, and I really respect Allure because they give beauty, they highlight beauty products, and they recommend and they give awards to beauty products, and I always trust what they say and what they pick because they know what they're doing. So anyway, that's for Allure. Look below in the comment section. I'll put a link to it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll be back. I have another, well, I have a couple more Temu hauls coming up, and I have some TJ Maxx hauls, some home decor ideas, so different things. So hit the subscribe button and click the like button, and also hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when my videos come up. So I usually share like 2 or 3, sometimes 4 videos a week. So anyway, thank you. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.